Welcome to PageProof, the smarter way to review anything and everything. We're very excited to announce that we've rolled out yet another world-first feature, the ability to send any test email from any marketing tool to PageProof. We support hundreds of popular email marketing tools such as MailChimp, Intercom, Sender, Emma, Ontraport, Sendinblue, just to mention a few. When you send a test email, you can send that email as a proof through PageProof. No integration or setup is needed. We'll link our video tutorial for this feature down below. Did you know you can generate a proof out of your OneDrive storage provider? We've now made it much more convenient. You can switch between your OneDrive personal and business accounts quickly and seamlessly. Inside your OneDrive account, on the left-hand side of your screen, choose Switch Accounts and sign in using your company email address. This will now allow you to choose the file from your business account and send it out as a proof using PageProof. You can now order comments inside your comment pane by date, time code, even person, and more. You can also reverse the order too. Did you know you can search proofs by name, tags, message to reviewers, and file type in your PageProof dashboard? Simply type in any keyword and use any filter to further drill down your search results. Our fresh new features videos are posted every month, so to make sure you're up to date with all the latest enhancements, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button below. We hope you like these updates, and as always, if you have anything to ask us or any feedback you'd like to share, just send us a message via our in-app chat on your dashboard. PageProof, the smarter way to review.